Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are doing a very exciting video. I actually secret shopped one of the really good friends because I just love her and I support her and I just think she's incredible, honestly. This is from Scented Slime by Amy. You guys know I love her and I might have spent a lot of money on her though. She deserves it, truly. She really does. If you guys are new here, subscribe down below for more videos like this one. Who should I secret shop next? Comment down below and I will do more like this one. Also, my new merchandise is linked down below. It's my Slime by Nichole Jacklyne logo t-shirt. We have youth sizes, we have adult sizes, we have all of the sizes. They're linked down below. Use the code MERCH10 to save 10% off of your entire merchandise order. That does include stickers, pins, magnets, bracelets, bags. We got beans, greens, tomatoes. That's how I sound right now, honest to God. All right, let's hop into this video. Also, you guys, I'm giving away a really iconic palette, low-key. The only rules are subscribe to this channel, Nichole Jacklyne. Follow my Instagrams at Nichole Jacklyne and at Slime by Nichole Jacklyne. They are linked down below. And like this video and comment down below why you want to win this palette. I will have more details on that very soon. Okay, so here she is. Comment down below how much you think I spent. Well, the title might already tell you, but guess anyways. I was just like add to cart, 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 add to cart. But I actually pressed purchase. I'm gonna sweat my cart. I'm only a high roller when it comes to like buying slime. Everything else, I'm just like, I'll go to Walmart for that. Okay, let's open this baby up. So excited. I love her, okay? She's incredible. She's also part of SLOOMOO, which I will be at SLOOMOO December 10th and 11th. Use the link down below to buy tickets. But yeah, she's part of SLOOMOO. She basically looks over the slime kitchen, which is pretty iconic, honestly. This girl figured out that I bought from her because, well, I used a fake name and I sent it to my mom's house, but she figured it out because it was from Michigan and she knew that I'm from Michigan. I was like, dang it, you figured it out. Sit back, relax, grab some snacks. Yes, ma'am. Look at all of these bubbles. It's the scarf. I'm gonna reuse all this, honestly. Bubble wrap for days. It's like, I feel like, yes, okay. What? Is this a scratch and sniff notebook? I didn't think a thumbnail. What am I doing? I gotta use a thumbnail, man. Okay, it's time to unload this baby. Here we go. Okay, so we have cookie dough crunch, crunchy, unicorn bark. Great name for a slime, by the way. Ooh, I didn't know what that goes to. Oh, this might go to here, I think. I believe this is to Brownie Sundae. I'm probably gonna end up mixing some stuff in the wrong, but what you gonna do about it? I'll figure it out. I'll look online. Oh, this is her Willy Wonka's DIY S'more kit. Yes. Cotton candy ice cream. Oh my gosh. Okay. Banana cream pie. Fairy floss. Ooh, I love that. I can't pronounce this. I know this though. Hokkaido. I'm like uncivilized. Oh, a little oatmeal cookie scent. Yes. Some activator. The Fix. She sells this. It's great. This little, oh, this is for that cookie dough one. This is some cherry sauce for a slime. I need to like figure out what goes to what. Fresh baked cheesecake in this little container. Oh my gosh. Also, if you're wondering, I ordered all this. So this isn't like an extra, like, hi, I ordered this. This is Fuzzy Sweater Weather. It's a cloud slime. She has great cloud slimes. Oh, this is pretty. It's called Sugar Rush. Astronaut Ice Cream. Oh, cute. Oh, this little positive vibe sticker. This little add-ins palette. That's really fun. Graveyard Fog, Oreo cream pie, almond milk, vanilla sweetened, Oreo cream pie, this little kit. Ooh, this is fun. Mint chip mocha. I can smell this outside of the jar. It smells incredible. Look at how many slimes I have. Fresh baked cheesecake, yum. Pumpkin pie perfection. This is, I believe it's an added for pumpkin pie. And then we have some really cute stickers. I'm like put these towers down before I cause a wreckage. That would not be good. Okay. This is so exciting. Oh, I didn't even see this one. This is Brownie Sundae a la mode. Ooh, cute. We have a little extras kit here. So cute. Because we have more The Fix. I don't need that. Probably not though, because she's the queen. Love these fun stickers. So I approve. First up, we have the Brownie Sundae slime, which I believe this was on top of it. It's just a little like clay ice cream scoop on top. Looks so real, it's crazy. And then Brownie Sundae. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Almost delicious. Okay, let's assemble her. It is so cute. Okay, the clay in that, this is so nice. Oh, it smells so good. I want to eat it. Oh, I love this. It's so cold. It smells so good. So this next slime is the Graveyard Fog. Really cute. So it's like an avalanche butter, I'm assuming. And it has little clay add-ins. This little like RIP. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That's so fun. And this little bat charm with a bunch of clay in the bottom. That is so cute. Oh, it smells so good. This chair is so loud. I really could not tell you what that smells like. It smells like candy. Not helpful, I'm sorry. I think when I opened this, I think there was a little crack in the container that had the clay hook because it's a little harder to mix. The good thing is though, when that happens, you can literally just play with it and warm it up again. So, life hacks. I love this. Okay, so I'm dying over this pumpkin pie one. It is called Pumpkin Pie Perfection, and it has a little clay scoop on top with a little pumpkin on it. So cute. This clay is so spongy and sizzly and nice. This little charm is so cute. The scent of this is so good. It smells like I'm walking in to my grandma's house on Thanksgiving and there's like a pie and like rolls and turkey. Okay, so next up we have Unicorn Bark. This one looks so good. It's like a buttery texture with a ton of really pretty like pastel colors in it. It's like a Fruit Loops and like cake scent mixed together, but it also smells like frosting. Oh, I love this. It feels like a hybrid. Yeah, it definitely is. It's a cloud cream butter, but it's thick. I need this scent. Amy, girl, I need to know what the scent is. This is great. Amy, this is actually incredible. I'm not surprised. I'm just like shook. This is good. Oh, dying, dying dead. Okay, on to the next. This one is called Fuzzy Sweater Weather, and I believe this is a cloud. It looks so pretty. It has brown, auburn, like red, pink, and orange colors, and it has, it smells like fall. Like straight fall. The little leaves are so cute. Oh, I love this. This is gonna be such a nice cloud slime. Look at all that. It smells so good. Look at these layers though. This is beautiful. Wow. smells just like fresh autumn leaves. Oh my gosh, it smells beautiful. Look at that. I was playing with the cloud slime at SLOOMOO, and it was like Amy made it, and it literally smells, and it was such a good cloud slime. It's such a, she has very like moisturizing clouds, which I love. So this one is cookie dough crunch, which sounds delicious. Oh my gosh. This smells just like cookie dough. This is so nice. Oh, I love a good full slushy bead slime. My favorite. Also, when I was filming, I knocked this one off my table onto cement concrete flooring. So obviously the lid broke, but that's my fault because I bumped it. But this is Oreo cream pie. Oh my gosh. How do you even get butter slime to be this soft? Oh, it's so nice. And the entire base of like Oreo crust in the bottom, I'm dying. Oh, I love this. Oh, there's an Oreo in here. That is so cute. Just a little Oreo guy in the bottom. This texture is everything. I love this. Ooh. Next up, we have this one called Creepy Crunch. Oh, this is so cute. It has orange, purple, white beads, and it has some white microfilm as well. And it has, oh, it has like skulls and bats and a bunch of glitter in the bottom. And I believe that's a skull in the bottom, like a real life skull. Oh, that smells nice. This is how I want my man to smell, honestly. Oh, this just like, I just love a good like cologne scent. So nice. Whoa. This base, it's so pretty. Wow, this texture is incredible. Look at the little Jack, whatever his name is. He has a name. Gosh. This is just like immaculate. The texture is so thick. Okay, next up we have the one I can't pronounce, the Hokkaido milk bread. Oh my gosh. The best bread scent I've ever smelled. It was like buttery bread. Oh my gosh. It's a little bread charm. such a nice full of clay butter. It's nice thick butter. I love Amy's slimes. I've never bought this many of them, but I think it's a good way to like get a good idea for someone's slime shop is to just go in. Next up is Fairy Floss. It is a cloud slime and it is so cute. I love that there is blue and white mix with sprinkles and little hearts, and there's 2 little hearts on top. It's just such a cutesy little slime. It smells like just like sweet cookies. This is so precious. Well, this is a nice cloud texture. Is so good. The name Fairy Floss just sounds so fitting because it's such a cutesy smell. While we're on a cloud slime spin, let's do this next one. This is Mint Chip Mocha Cloud Slime. It smells like an Andes mint, it really does. Look at these cute little charms. So cute. It smells delicious. Look at all these really awesome little mix-ins. This makes me want mint chip ice cream bad. I just like live off that. Oh my gosh. I think my favorite thing so far is this one. I keep saying that about every one of them, but oh my gosh. Okay, next up is this fresh baked cheesecake slime. This looks delicious. I think it's a thick, like a sleigh texture, and then it has the fizz on the bottom, like the Oreo cream pie one, did I believe? Yeah, so cute. Oh my gosh. You can hear the glue. Perfect sleigh texture. Oh my gosh, it's like velvet. Whoa. This is so good. I literally, my hands are so soft. So good, you guys. I love that it's like a sleigh slime, but like a sleigh fizz. Makes a perfect texture, honestly. Because you get the softness and the thickness of a sleigh slime, but you also get the fizziness of a fizz slime, but not too much. This looks just like cheesecake. It smells so good. You guys, I just can't with the smells. Look at this. Ooh, this is banana cream pie. Oh, that smells so good. Look at all of that beautiful clay with the banana slices. Love. Has 3 layers. You have some clay. I'm assuming a thick, it's like a clay sleigh fizz. It looks so real. It literally looks like real food. Insanely soft. Oh my gosh. I've never felt this kind of clay texture in my life. I don't know if it's just like a combination of ingredients, but the clay texture that's in all of her slimes is like incredibly soft. Ooh, this is the cotton candy ice cream one. This one also has the clay insert. Oh, look how glossy that looks. Love this. Such a nice, like, dense texture. Y'all have already seen the Oreo cream pie, Brownie Sundae a la mode, and the cheesecake, fresh baked cheesecake slime. I did order these same ones, but in, I think it's like the 4 ounce, 2 ounce total, the snack packs, if you will, which are equally just as fun. And they smell good. I can't get over them. I think they're so great. Okay, I definitely want to save this one for Instagram. This is her Sugar Rush slime. When it is sunny outside, I want to film a direct sunlight video on my Instagram of this slime. If it's up right now, if it's up by now, go look for it on my Instagram, Slime by Nichole Jacklyne. If you don't see it, then you better comment on my Instagram and be like, Nichole, where is Amy's Sugar Rush slime video? And I'll be like, it's coming, I promise. Okay, the final 3 slimes. So this is her Almond Milk Vanilla Sweetened Slime. This smells so good. I'm a broken record, I know, but like, they're just great. Girl. Wow. It smells so good. It is so creamy and thick. Oh, I just love this. I really do love a nice, like, creamy, thick, just white glue slime. And the scent is so good. It's so sweet, like vanilla almond milk. Also the fact that literally none of these slimes were remotely sticky, and I could have used, I have so much of this now, didn't have to use a single bit of it, and I've had this slime package now for almost 2 weeks. Crazy. So, just some things to consider. And then we have Astronaut Ice Cream. Ooh, that's a nice smell. It smells like unicorn bark, which was that like fruity cake sweet scent. It's just beautiful. She's gorgeous. Wow, it's so pretty. It's so gorgeous. And the color, such a nice purpley butter slime. Very clay heavy, which I love. Okay. So, okay, so the last two slimes here are the Sugar Rush slime. and then the DIY Willy Wonka s'mores kit. And I also want to film this on my Instagram, like just an Instagram video. So check out my Instagram for these. They are going to be on there hopefully soon. It should be sunny tomorrow, so like I'll get that direct sunlight video shot, done, check mark. But yeah, if you guys are watching still, comment down below chocolate candy bar and on there watching, because end of the video means you get a special surprise. I don't know. I will have my merchandise down below. Use code MERCH10 to save 10% off of your entire order. I will have all of my kiosk information down below and a video linked where you can go check out all the information on my kiosk. I'll be at SLOOMOO in New York on December 10th and 11th. You can come meet me and buy slime at SLOOMOO. Use the link down below though, because you can save a little discount on your ticket, so just use that. And yeah, you guys, I will see you guys with a new video really soon. I know I went crazy in this video and I bought a lot of slime, but it was so worth it. I will have all of Amy's links and her Instagram and all of that down below. Go follow her, go check her out, go buy it from her shop. She's literally incredible. I love her so much. Amy, I love you. And I'll see you guys really soon. Bye guys.